All right, so here's yet another Casablanca project that I've recently completed. This is a 50-inch Casablanca Delta 1 in polished brass, or just the Delta, if you will. And boy, did this one clean up really nice. The brass is tarnishing in places. You can see the switch housing looks a little more coppery than the actual K4S light kit, and a couple of the blade arms are tarnishing as well, but overall the fan shows very nicely. Yeah, this blade arm in general is kind of a burnt brass, but very nice fan, very clean. I just completely detailed it. The sideband is gleaming. I mean, very nice. Mostly original piece. The light kit I did add because, let's see, where did I put the original one? Oh yes, this was on it when I received the fan. It's a later model K4S, and it was white, but somebody painted this god-awful textured brown or bronze finish, so that had to go, and I gave it a more appropriate light kit. So this fan was manufactured February 26th, 1985, and it was the 295th fan to come off the line that day. Like I said, completely redid everything. Fan's got new bearings. It's ready to go, so we'll go ahead and demonstrate it here. There's the light. Absolutely stunning. I love beveled glass, and I love these kind of concave beveled glass shades. Whoops, that's the wrong way. That's reverse. Here we go. So for those of you that don't know, Casablanca Delta was actually Casablanca's first 3-speed fan. Basically what it is, it's just a Zephyr with shorter blade arms and a 3-speed pull chain instead of the Slumber Quiet or the more expensive IntelliTouch system. So this fan was definitely aimed at the lower priced market. Just absolutely stunning looking. I mean, it's very nice. Get your nice Casablanca low speed, but yet it still puts off just the ever so slightly gentle breeze. Take her up to medium. It is still a little sluggish, only because I put bearings in it literally an hour ago, so I'm gonna let it run overnight and kind of let them break in a little bit. And we'll take it on to high here. Very well balanced as well. Just absolutely stunning. Very nice example of this fan. Just absolutely gorgeous. Here it is in reverse, just to make sure that you all know that it works. And it is kind of kicking up dust in here, but that's a good thing. That means the fan's working well. Here's medium. And high. And that just about does it, folks. So I thank you for watching, and until next time.